ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, friends, colleagues. It is with immense pride and sincere pleasure that I welcome you all to the city of Slémani and to the inaugural Dēڵfی Forum held in the Kurdistan region. Hosting this forum in Slémani is more than a symbolic milestone for our city. It is a powerful statement of our shared commitment to dialogue, cooperation, and forward-looking solutions. We are privileged to be joined today by an exceptional gathering of minds, policymakers, scholars, investors, diplomats, visionaries from across the globe. I offer a particularly warm welcome to our distinguished guests from Greece, a nation with which we share growing bonds of friendship, mutual respect, and historical depth. Today marks not just a forum of discussion, but the beginning of conversations that we hope will evolve into enduring partnerships. I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to my friend, Simeon Simokos, the founder and president of the Dēڵfی Economic Forum, to Peshoa Siweli, the chair of Superpower Company, and Channel 8, who are our media sponsors today. Slémani has long stood as a pillar of culture, resilience, and intellectual freedom. Even in the most challenging times, it has remained a city of learning, creativity, and innovation. It is only fitting that Slémani now hosts a global dialogue on peace, progress, and economic cooperation. Across the Middle East today, we are witnessing profound challenges, ongoing conflicts, forced displacement, economic hardships, and deep political divides. Yet in the midst of these trials, there are voices calling for another path, for peace, for reform, for inclusion, and for long-term stability. At such a pivotal juncture, dialogue is not optional, it is essential. The Dēڵfی Economic Forum offers a critical space where ideas can be exchanged freely, trust can be cultivated, and cross-border collaboration can take root. In the Kurdistan region, we deeply value such spaces and proudly support their continuation and their expansion. Peace is not simply the absence of violence, it is the presence of justice, dignity, opportunity, mutual respect, and mutual understanding. For us, peace is not just a moral aspiration, it is a strategic imperative. It is the foundation upon which a stronger and more prosperous future must be built. As Aristotle said, peace is the greatest of all blessings. Kurdistan stands at the crossroads of regional transformation. After decades of war, surviving genocide, and rebuilding from the scorched earth policies of previous Iraqi regimes, we now play a pivotal role in Iraq's political and economic landscape. Our ability to engage constructively with all actors across divides positions us as a bridge builder in a fragmented region. Moreover, our engagement extends beyond local and regional issues. On global challenges, such as energy security, climate change, and irregular migration, we have taken an active role working with our international partners to pursue common and sustainable solutions. I hope that during the next 2 days, this forum provides the opportunity to explore these issues in greater depth and forge collaborative pathways forward. In that spirit, we are implementing economic reforms aimed at diversification, empowering our youth, supporting women's empowerment, and attracting long-term, responsible and sustainable investment. Slémani stands as a testament to what can be achieved even in difficult circumstances through entrepreneurship, innovation, and resilience. From energy and tourism to agro-tourism to cleaner industry, utilizing artificial intelligence and new technology, all the way to the arts, Slémani is brimming with potential. We are ready to partner with all who share our vision for inclusive, sustainable development. I would also like to highlight the increasingly strong relationship between Kurdistan and Greece. This forum is itself a symbol of that evolving partnership. We are grateful to the Greek government and the Dēڵfi Economic Forum for choosing Slēmani as the site of this important gathering. Kurdistan and Greece, two lands with ancient roots, are demonstrating that tradition and transformation can go hand in hand in the pursuit of a brighter future. So as you take part in this forum, I invite you to experience all that Slēmania has to offer, not just in ideas, but in soul. Engage with its people, explore its culture, appreciate its history, eat its food, and together let us envision a future not only for Kurdistan, but for the entire region, one built on cooperation, dialogue, and peace. So thank you for being here. Thank you for believing in the power of conversation and connection, and thank you for making Slēmania a meaningful stop on your journey. Inscribed at the Temple of Apollo at Dēڵfi are the words, "Know thyself." So as Dēڵfi reminds us, in knowing ourselves, we can chart a path to peace and prosperity. Welcome to Slēmania.